Bacon just makes everything better. I'm Adam Murray. I'm 37 years old. I'm from Smyrna, Tennessee. I am definitely a carnivore. I love smoking meat. I started an Instagram page about 1.5 years ago because I got a brand new smoker, and my wife said, hey, maybe you should start a social media page and just teach people how to smoke stuff. And so that's what I did. It kind of took off from there. It's kind of been fun to learn more about the barbecue community and do something I love. I do a lot of the cooking for my wife and my 6 kids. I can't pick a meal that doesn't have meat in it. Because of that, I decided that it would be really interesting to go completely meatless for 1 week. Okay, this is my last bite of meat for the week. So, wish me luck. The kids are gonna love that when they wake up. All right, so here is my breakfast for day 1. We have scrambled eggs, toast, and grapes. So it's lunch on day 1, I'm going with a salad. Of course, on day 1, I'm going to a potluck. I know they're gonna have fried chicken there and all sorts of probably other stuff I can't have, so I packed a peanut butter sandwich. All right, so day 1 is in the books. We were completely meatless. Our kids are happy. They had a good time today, just trying to figure out what we could eat. We had one that almost tried to bow out, but we said no, you gotta push through it. It's just day 1, and she got back in. This morning I'm making pancakes, scrambled eggs, and fruit. Once a week we do pizza movie night at our house. We put sometimes ham, sausage on there, but obviously we can't do that this week. So we are going veggie style. But we got a happy pizza, so it balances out. Honestly, we struggled a little bit today because we didn't plan. Our normal lunches involve ham sandwiches, chicken nuggets, fish sticks, things like that, and we couldn't do that today. But we do realize now how important it is to plan. And we're starting off the day with chocolate chip banana bran muffins. For lunch, we made spaghetti. So the way we got our protein in there was through a high protein pasta. We're gonna make black bean burgers tonight with a side of fries.
They look like real burgers and they smell like real burgers.
And we'll see how they taste, right?
Yeah.
Anything like a burger?
No.
No? Oh, I'm sorry. So you wouldn't eat, you're not gonna finish eating it? Oh, I'm sorry, babe. Okay, so for day 4 lunch, we are going to go to our favorite Mexican restaurant. Maybe we're overconfident, but we all think we can order from the vegetarian menu just fine. I've never had broccoli in a fajita, so that was an interesting flavor combination.
I just ate cauliflower in a fajita. It's actually not horrible. It's just, everything is different without meat.
For lunch today, we're doing salads with a peanut butter chocolate protein shake. So girls, what do you think about the shakes?
I love them. Yeah, they're yummy.
For this meat-loving family, let's be honest, day 5 was a real struggle. Tonight, my wife knocked it out of the park. She made macaroni and cheese, cut up a bunch of veggies, and we had a couple of meat substitutes in there. It was really good, the kids all loved it, and to celebrate, we're eating chocolate chip cookies. All right, so it's day 6, and today for breakfast, I made something new to me, which was an oatmeal bake. For lunch today, we went with a veggie chicken patty. Girls, what do you think?
Good.
So between work and church, there's not a lot of time for dinner. Normally we would stop at a fast food restaurant and get a chicken sandwich or a hamburger, but tonight, that's why we made stir fry, something that's quick and easy, but it's still delicious. So kids, how do you like the meatless substitute?
It's pretty good. Okay.
Does it taste like chicken?
No.
Does it look like chicken?
Yes.
For tonight's dinner, I'm making 2 all-vegetable soups. I'm going to be making a minestrone and a Tuscan bean soup. So it's our last dinner together in our Meatless Challenge week. Not gonna lie, day 1 we were hungry. That was the biggest physical change. Is we're like, hold on, we're hungry. But once we got past that, we didn't notice that anymore. But what we did notice is that after meals, we didn't really feel that sense of like fullness. You kind of just get like that bloated. Like sometimes you just feel like, oh, like super full. My skin felt clearer. The rest of my family didn't say that, but I felt like that. And I also noticed that I lost some weight. We are going to try to implement 1 night a week that we go meatless.
Awesome. We want to encourage you guys, of course, to keep trying your meatless day of the week. And so our friends at Vanilla Gift, like you can use it on anything. It's so awesome, but the purpose is for your groceries. They're giving you a $500 gift card.
What?
That's
Oh, that's so awesome.
I know.
Thank you so much.
To spend on your groceries. Yay! I mean, that's awesome.